viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. Stick and stay to see what's coming.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers, I don't know, it's all about farm is getting green. You know what I mean? Yeah, the farm is getting green, alright? As you can see, I have some corn here. Yeah, 1 and 2 root of corn, looking good. Yeah. In the last video, there was nothing growing here, but as you can see, yeah, I have my red peas, my okra, I have some cucumber here also, but most definitely I have some peanuts. Yeah, plant some peanut recently. Yeah, peanuts. It is a mix of everything here. You know, when you're planting, man, just plant something. I have some cucumber here on the end here. Yeah, cucumbers. Yeah, my viewers. Right, let's start from the first fridge here. You remember this fridge? Did plant some drop seed, some carrot seed here. Yeah, 1 and 2 of them catch, as you can see. You know, most of them died out, but trust me, as you can see here, this fridge is packed, overload, as you can see, fully loaded, I should say, don't it? Yeah, as you can see, carrot is inside here. Yeah, carrot inside here. Soon time for molding the carrots. I have okra. Yeah, okra is here. Cucumber is here also. Yeah, looking very nice, lovely. Callaloo is here. Callaloo is here, my people. Everything is inside here, but most definitely the peanut is my favorite. Peanuts. So this fridge is gonna packed of vitamins, you know. Yes, for real, my viewers. As you can see, looking good. All I need to do, give them some fish water fertilizer, because this farm is an organic farm. You know, we don't use chemical here. So as you can see, there's a lot of sawdust on the top of the soil to keep the soil always cool. Yeah, so when the sun is up here under this fridge here, most of them, the sawdust is to keep, you know, the water into the soil, you know what I mean, so that the sun don't dry it out that much. But anyway, trust me, it's gonna be looking lovely. And I always try to take out all the grass that's not supposed to be inside here. Yes, so this fridge pack of vitamin A, B and C. Whoa, trust me. All right, next fridge. All right, this fridge I did plant some cauliflower, but there is only 1 and 2 cauliflower start to grow. Cauliflower, yes, just 1 and 2. Yeah, there's the next one over here. Yeah, 1 and 2 cauliflower catch inside here. So what I do, yeah, some callaloo seed was thrown inside here. Yeah, and as you can see, them grow very nice and lovely. Look at this one here, beautiful, don't it? Yeah, man, beautiful callaloo. All right, and as if you look carefully, you will see cucumber also, and you will see the peanuts, my favorite, peanuts, all the way peanuts. Yes. So I don't grow one thing in one fridge, all different type of stuff, and I always try to pull out these grass not supposed to be inside here. Yeah, I have a fridge here. Soon I'm gonna find a spot for it, full it of dirt to plant something also. Yeah, and as you can see along the line, okra. Yeah, this farm is gonna be, I don't want to say the word, you know what I mean? So here is the next fridge. The same thing. All right, this fridge was a fridge that I drop seed some kale, and trust me, I don't see any of the kale catch. You know what I mean? So I just leave it at that. But trust me, I plant through some peanut. The people watch it. Peanut coming out of the ground. Peanuts, yeah, right through peanuts, and I have some cucumber also, yeah, cucumber, and as you can see, callaloo right through. So I pull out some of these callaloo and replant them. I'm going to that shortly, so stick and stay on the channel. Over here is my thyme. You know, this is what all mankind need. Thyme. Altia, what's going on? Altia, big up yourself. This is what yard food. There, man. Yeah, Miss Me. Miss Fear. Yeah, Miss Fear. Yeah, the amazing M&G. Yeah, good morning. Here is my time. You know, we all need time, don't it? We all need time. We all need time. So this is my time here. But as you can see, I have 2 callaloo root inside there. I have some little younger one, and I have cucumber also inside here. And my thyme are doing well. All right, these times when you go to the market and you buy a bundle of scallion and you get it with the thyme, you take out the thyme, the biggest part of it, yeah, and you put it into a cup of water for 3 days. After the 3 days, you plant it, because when you put it into the cup for the 3 days, it's still gonna grow, you know. Yeah, it's gonna grow, but it's much easier to catch. Then you plant it. That's it. It's gone. All right. So when you're cooking, you can come inside here when you're cooking, and you clip off a little piece with the scissors and you go and cook. Trust me, when you use the fresh thyme from the garden into the pot, whoa, you don't want to smell the flavor of the pot. It is very strong. You know what I mean? Because having the thyme and the scallion in the market for the 3 days or how many days, all the scent gone. But when you pick from your organic garden, that's lovely. Yes, I'm getting to the scallion, so don't worry. This area, this fridge, is my ginger fridge. And as you can see, my viewers, ginger is bursting out because all over inside here is ginger. You know what I mean? But you know, the callaloo is going to come in before the ginger, and cucumber is here also. The cucumber is going to come in before. So when I plant all these things together, I know what is going to come in before what. The ginger is going to be there for last. That's about 8 months before ginger is ready. Yeah, so as you can see, here and there, 1 and 2 ginger is bursting up. So just leave them to sprout and to burst up out of the soil. Some callaloo is also always there, darling. Yes. All right. Here is my onion bed. Here is my onion bed. But as you can see, 3 little roots of callaloo, and I have some cucumber over there. But this is my onion bed. Yeah. Not all of them catch as yet. Some just bursting out of the soil. Yeah. Always draw out the little grass that me don't want inside. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that was my onion bed. Alright. Here is my garlic. Here is my garlic bed, and here what's going on when it comes to like scallion, onion, garlic and all those things. Thyme, they need a companion to grow with. You know what I mean? As you can see, I have a Syrian mesh here to keep the shade off the sun. The heat from the sun, yeah, to keep them off. So these things you have to give them water very often. You know what I mean? To keep them cool. Yeah. So when you plant something else with these vegetables, it keep them cool, because the shade of the callaloo now is gonna keep them cool. You understand? Yeah, so they like to grow with a next different type of vegetables. You know what I mean? Yeah. So always try to plant them with something else so that they can shade them from the sun. Alright? Yeah. And the onions, when you plant onions with a different type of vegetables, yeah, it make the onions them grow bigger. You know what I mean? And most of the time you should let the onion show his face. You know what I mean? But sometimes you just leave it, make it grow. Alright? So yes, this was my garlic area. As you can see, the garlic grew. All of them just burst out of the soil and up and running. So I just leave them to grow. You know what I mean? Yeah, I have a tray here. Yeah, I have a tray here. And as you can see, a spray buckle. And I tell you before, I don't deal with chemical. This spray buckle, yeah, this is baking soda. Yeah, so when I use the baking soda spray on them, yeah, those little insect is off. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. This is my scallion bed. Right here is my scallion bed. As you can see, my scallion bed is right here. I have some callaloo here also into it. I did plant some garden egg, yeah, in here, but seems like them never catch. So I replant it with some callaloo and some scallion inside here. Yeah, looking wonderful. Alright, yesterday I do this fridge yesterday, and as you can see, I transplant some callaloo here. All of them is up, looking good. Yeah, this is all my black soil from the factory. Yeah, so as you can see, my callaloo is up. The sun is coming out. The sun is peeping out. Yeah, the sun is peeping out. So you don't know, it's all about all these vegetables need the sun. You know what I mean? So this is my lately callaloo bed. I don't want to plant nothing on the ground here. I plant everything, as you can see, in containers. Yeah, only like over there now I plant those little things in the ground. But trust me, I have a 2 root of pumpkin over here. Yeah, just can't wait for it to spread all over. Okay. Yeah man, I have 2 root of corn through this bush here. It is time for me to mold them, you know. When you mold anything you plant, once you mold it, it started to grow more. Yeah. Yeah, my people, look how my callaloo them look. Last night I transplant them, you know, but here the thing now with the black soil. When you sow the seed into the black soil and you're gonna transplant, when you draw up the callaloo come up with the black soil because the black soil is so loose. It just come up with the callaloo. Alright? So when the soil is up with the callaloo, yeah, it don't give the callaloo that time to hang down his head like he is going to, you know, pass away. You know what I mean? They are still growing because they pull up out of the soil with the soil. You know what I mean? Look at this one here. Beautiful, don't it? My God, looking good. Yeah, so I'm gonna give them some water now, but I need the night dew, like, yeah, I need the night dew to dry on them first before I give them some water. Alright, this batch here, I do this batch day before yesterday. Yeah, so they go through 1 day sunlight, yeah, already, but these one don't go through the sunlight yet. Today is the first day for them. Alright, yeah man, so I don't know what it's all about. This callaloo looking beautiful, see me? Yeah, up and running. So yes, my viewers, I have some Irish potato and some sweet potato to plant, but I don't want to plant them into the ground same way. I don't want to plant them in the ground here like how I plant over here. I want to plant them in container, you know what I mean, into that black soil, into those black soil. I want to plant them so they are easy to dig. You understand? So right about now, it's all about I have an next fridge here. Yeah, I have to find a space for it too also. So yes, my viewers, it is time for me to bring down my mesh. It's time for me to bring down my mesh. So this is how my mesh bring down. I want to dry it up some more. Yeah. Alright, I have to stop the camera to do this, my viewers. Alright. Alright, this is the way the mesh is supposed to be. Yeah, supposed to cut some tree limb through on the top here to help with the shade. Yeah. Keep the sun off the scallion, the onion, and the garlic. Yeah. So yes, my viewers. It's all about farming, and it's a farming revolution, you know what I mean? Yeah? You have to plant something. If you don't plant, you're not going to eat. If you don't eat it, you're gonna get weak. When you get weak, you're going to on the other side of the bridge, and you don't want to be on the other side of the bridge. So you just get a machete and you dig a hole and you plant something. Yeah man, you plant something with people. Alright, I have a planting tree here. This is a planting tree. Yeah, plant tree simply. This is a banana tree. This banana tree, when it bear, the hand of the bunch of banana is 20 something hand the last time, you know. Where I get this from, the bunch that I cut is 20 to 1. Yeah, so just waiting for this one to shoot. Yeah? Yeah man, I have a coconut tree over here. There's a lot of dry one on it, so you don't know the rice and peas and the red pea soup. Yeah, the coconut is from that tree. Alright? The real man. Have some hockey. Just start to open. So yes, my viewers. Yeah man. Love this one. I love this fridge because it is big, full of space. But everything is inside here. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, calcium, potassium. Everything is inside here. Wow. Tell you. Alright. It's all about time to give some water now. So my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay on the channel, watch to see what's coming next. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut, where you can learn a lot about farming, alright? So yes, my people, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick and I'm gonna be out for now. See you guys in the next video.